Daniel, how many books have you written?
So far, I have done 2 books, Fred.
Yeah.
The first was a collection of essays.
Yeah.
The title Kozlis Malis Nastana,
With no malice.
with no malice. It went into a second edition.
Yeah.
The second edition was put out in December 2008.
Yeah.
My second book was a book of poems and couplets,
Yeah.
four-liners.
I see.
That was released in May 2000.
Romi Kokni both.
In Romi Konkani, but Nyalunk is a book of poems in both Devanagari and Roman script Konkani.
What's the economics of publishing in Kokni today? Is it viable? Does it work?
If you ask me about the viability, I may not be able to give the facts and figures, but the biggest bottleneck I think the Roman script writers face today is marketing,
Distribution. Also.
distribution of the books. We have readership, there's a good following for Konkani books. There are people who want to buy them, but we cannot reach out to the market.
Correct.
You see,
Correct. Because there are no structures in
I'm
place.
lucky to have got a publisher who does the publishing for me.
This
But
is,
then again,
this is-
marketing is a bottleneck for
Your
us.
publisher is
One person from Vasco.
okay. Okay. So how do we overcome this problem? Because there are readers, as you're saying, but
Certainly, there are readers. We got to go to the readers, take
Yeah.
our product to them, and we have to form a team of marketeers,
yeah,
who market literary products like books published.
yeah.
We have got to identify spots in the villages where the actual
There's-
readership is.
There's a lack of awareness of what books are coming out. Also, someone was saying maybe we need a permanent exhibition of Goa books.
Right, you're right. We have to move with the times, Fred, because this lack of awareness is one of the
Yeah.
aspect that is badly hitting the sales.
No, even a place like Margaon, the Ravindra Bhavan, could have a permanent exhibition just of books, and even if not sale, just exhibition to build awareness.
Yes, you should have an exhibition of books, irrespective how much you sell. But
Yeah.
then you should bring the people there. People will just not come for the sake of
Yeah,
books. You
yeah,
should
yeah.
club it with another type of cultural event or something like that.
Are reviews happening of Kokni books enough?
Reviews are happening, but not to that extent. Like now, we have good number of Roman script books coming out. More and more writers are coming.
Roughly
on
how
the
many
field.
in a month?
I won't
5, 6, 4,
say
5,
in a
3.
month, but I think on an average, and something around 10 to 15 books in a year is a good figure as of now.
Probably more, I think.
Probably more, but I think it is at least minimum 15 books in a year is a good figure. And they are all young writers who are coming up now.
But I feel Kokni books should be reviewed not just in Kokni but also in English, no?
Absolutely. You should review the book in both the press, whether it is a Konkani press or English press.
Or even a Marathi press, why not?
Yeah, because with me, I found that many of the readers who perhaps we think are only reading the English press
Yeah.
do also have a liking to read the Konkani
That's
press.
true. And since we are a multi-linguistic society in that
Yes,
sense,
yes.
at least at the reading level,
Yes.
at the spoken level, we
It
may
helps. But then you are a press yourself. You should tell us how to go about it.
No, I've actually seen some reviews done by Vinci from Kepe. What's his name? Sorry.
Vinci Quarters.
Yeah.
Okay.
In English, on the Render book on the Render and that, which are very insightful even for a reader like me.
Yeah.
Because whether I read the book or not, I get a good idea of what's going on there, no? And it might actually tempt me to buy and read the book.
But how many among the journalist fraternity do we have actually
That's
book reviewers?
We have very few,
journalists,
very
but
few.
we have very few book reviewers.
Not even in
So
English.
that is
Even in
another
English,
bottleneck.
even in
Actually,
English, they are not
yes.
reviewing Goa books.
Right. In fact, the column that you are writing for the Gomantak Times has to a large extent
Oh
filled
no,
in the
that's,
void.
that's something small, but I think it's not
But
sufficient.
nevertheless, it is bringing about every week or whatever fortnight we
But-
do it. It brings
but,
about
yeah.
list of books that are out on the stands.
But if we could just train more reviewers, I think it would.
yeah,
What
we
are-
have to look into this.
What are your next plans in terms of books?
I am working on my third book right now. It's going to be a book of humor,
I see.
a collection of humorous essays.
I see.
And right now I'm in the thick of it.
I see.
I plan to bring it out somewhere this year itself.
I see.
Okay.
How did you get involved in writing in Romi Kopni? Because today English is taking
It
over.
has
and-
come naturally to me, just like the way English writing has come naturally to
I
me.
see.
I have not trained myself in writing, but
I see. It was not
language
something
is-
that you pushed yourself into doing for political
Not
reasons.
at all.
or-
Not at all. I don't write on politics, first of all.
No, I mean
but
for
I know I
political
can make a
reasons.
good political writer, but certain things limit me.
Yeah. Thanks a lot and all the best.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you.